Hello. Hi. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, good morning.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think you can see my screen now, right? Right, guys?
Yes,
Yeah. Okay. So, sorry. In last session, we have discussed about what? Boot diagnostics, right? Also, we discussed about logs. Next, serial console, right? Yeah. Now, I am going to discuss about redeploy. Okay. So that already we completed, right, guys? Redeploy. Yes or no? Did I complete or not? Redeployment option.
Yes, redeploy, reapply
Yes,
is
sir.
done. Reapply
Yes.
we didn't did, but we did redeploy.
Okay. Yeah. So redeploy in the sense the virtual machine would be moved to another host, brand new host. Yeah. In order to resolve the all RDP related issues. Once redeployment is in progress, okay, your virtual machine will be unavailable. So we require downtime. Right? So you will not lose any data. You will lose the data only that is stored in temporary drive. Let's see. I will repeat that. Now copy this VM MSTSC. Okay, paste it, connect. Restart. Okay, we are unable to restart it, right? Could you please let me know why?
It is locked.
Yeah, it is locked. Very good. So I'm going to remove it totally. Yeah, add and restart it. Yeah, it is still rebooting. Okay, yeah, communicate it. Copy. MSTS. Paste it, connect. Okay, yeah. So yesterday I did some changes in the network rules. So I'm going to delete it. Yeah, refresh. Okay, add NSG. I mean, the port number 3389 was not there. So due to that, I am adding. Now, I am using, so the service is HTTP, RDP. The port number 3389. Okay, so 3389. Just add it. Right? Yeah, next. Now close it. Copy MSTS. Yeah, SharePoint at the rate of 1234. Yes. Okay, this is the server. Now have a look. So when you do redeployment, okay, when you do redeployment, the server will be moved from one host to another host, brand new host. Okay, while it is in progress, your server will be unavailable. Okay, during that period, whatever the data you are, it is there on top of the temporary drive that will be lost. For example, I am going to create one directory. See in C drive, right click, new folder. I am giving Microsoft. What is that? Microsoft. Try to add some dump files. Okay, I am giving Azure test. Close it. Copy, paste it, paste it, paste it. Okay, copy, paste it. Right? Yeah. So once it is done, same copy of the directory, I am pasting it into one copy into on top of desktop. So another copy, temporary drive, temporary drive. So total, I have three directories, one on desktop, other one is C drive, third one is temporary drive. So here, if you click on it, see, it is giving some info. What was that? Any data stored in this drive subject to loss, there is no way to recover it. So please do not use this disk for storing any personal or application data, right? So if I do redeploy, whatever the data is stored in temporary drive, that will be lost. Now have a look how to do that. Now go ahead and redeploy. There is a one option, redeploy. Yes, redeploy it. Okay, see, deployment is in progress. Your server got disconnected. Okay, successfully redeployed the VM. Right, now copy this IP, connect. Okay, paste it, yes. Connect it back. Okay, yeah, SharePoint 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Okay, see, if I go and see, Microsoft directory is there on desktop. Well and good. Now, navigate to C drive. See, Microsoft directory is there, right? Now navigate to temp drive. See, there is no, what is that? That Microsoft directory. So what does it mean? You should not store any important data on temporary drive. Temporary drive is temporary drive. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Next. So other thing is, I'm going to discuss about properties of the resource. So properties of the resource in the sense this is the property. Okay. Yeah. See, in this property, you will get everything. Okay, one is status is running, computer name, and this is the public IP, private IP, operating system, and the VM generation 2, and the agent status, yes, it is running, agent version, this is the one, and this is about what? All information about your virtual machine. If somebody come to you and asking about that, VM agent is V1 and V2 means you can come here and verify and let them know the status. Okay, yeah, this is about what? Overview of Azure Virtual Machine properties. Okay, yeah, next, as I said, this is the boot diagnostics, right? So boot diagnostics, if that screenshot appear, your virtual machine is healthy. Okay, other thing is, for example, you forgot the password. Okay, so cloud admin password is forget. So if you forget the password, how will you able to log in? We cannot. Right? So how can I do that? For example, first thing you would like to know how many individual users are there on top of this server. How to check? One thing, go to run command. Where is that? Run command. What is the command, guys, to get a list of users? Any idea? I given the list, right? Get hyphen login local user. Local user. Yes. Script execution is in progress. See cloud admin. We have only one user. Right? For example, cloud admin user is locked or you don't remember the password. In order to, how can you reset the password? There is a one option called reset password. Okay, if you remember the username like cloud admin, what it will do is the request will go and verify in the VM, okay, whether this user is present or not, whether the user present or not. If it is not present, okay, then it will create it as a new user along with password. If the user is present in the VM, just it will reset the password. Okay, anyhow this user is there. If user is not there, it will create as a new user along with password. If user is already existing in the VM, just it will reset the password. For example, I am giving AZ admin. This user is not there, right? Next, password, SharePoint at the rate of 12345. SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Update it. Okay, yeah, it is in progress. Resetting password.
So using this option, we can create multiple users for
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
yes. See, successfully reset the password. Now, go to run command. Okay, yeah, PowerShell, get local user. Run it. See, AZ admin has been created. Now, will I able to log in with the newly created user? Why not? Now, navigate to overview, copy, MSDSC, paste it, connect. So more choice, use different account. Cloud admin, SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Yes. See, I'm able to access. Right? Cloud admin. Who is that? I logged in, guys. Oh yeah, my cloud admin only, right? No, I don't want. I need to verify with AZ admin. MSTSC. Yeah, connect. More choice AZ admin. SharePoint at the rate of 123. Yeah. Okay, yeah, see, I'm able to access it. So this is how, what is that? You can create new user or he can reset the password for existing user within the VM. Okay. So these are very important feature which I will explain you. So all real time you have to practice. So other thing is here you can check resource health. Resource health in the sense, let it be. Okay, here you can check. Okay, yeah. For example, if you see this option, there are not any known Azure platform affecting this virtual machine. So there is no issues from platform and Microsoft end. If there are any issues from our end, we have to verify. So to verify whether it is platform issue or our issue, you have to go resource health. There are not any Azure platform affecting this virtual machine. This is the statement which we have. Okay. Yeah. Next. Coming to here, there is a performance diagnostics. So see, if I click on it, performance diagnostics, it is showing empty. Okay, empty in the sense, okay, empty in the sense we haven't configured the performance diagnostics. Okay, to verify what is the performance of our virtual machine. In order to configure, we have to configure performance diagnostics for VM. Okay, to do that, first, when you configure performance diagnostic, then automatically it will create one extensions. There is a one option called extension. Yeah, this is the extensions. Okay, under settings, we have what is that extensions? Extensions plus application. See, did you observe at this moment we have two extensions. Azure Network Watcher, enable VM access. Okay, two. Now, if I configure performance diagnostics, another extension would be added. Let's go and check. I'm going to configure performance diagnostics. This is the performance diagnostics. Install performance diagnostics. Yes, acknowledge it, generate it.
So in a VM, how many users you can create and at the max, or is there any limit for that?
Oh, no, actually in real time what will happen now? You are going to access from active directory authentication, right?
Correct.
So yeah, a number of users can connect, no issues. But live connection would be max 11. Okay, live connections in the sense you are connecting the VM, you are working something, I am connecting same VM, I am doing something like that. So max 11 members can able to connect at a time. Okay, yeah. See, it has been installed. Now go and check extensions. Okay, extensions. See, Azure Performance Diagnostics has been installed, right? Yeah. So it has been installed. If you go and remove these extensions, you cannot track performance of the virtual machine. Okay. Yeah. Now navigate to performance diagnostics. Yeah, this is the one. Highlight, click on it, download this report. Let it be download. Yeah. Extract. Yes. Paste it. So this is the report. Right click, open. Okay. Yeah. If you observe, we have many tabs here. Okay. Overview, findings. I don't see any issues with the VM. Okay. Yeah. Run information. See, this is the VM1. This is what? UTC time. Okay. Performance Insight version 3.4. Okay. And this is the path. Okay. Starting time. This is the one. Ending time. Okay. So go for log path. This is the log path. Okay. Hardware events. Download it and verify if there are any issues. Okay. No issues so far. Now same way, go back. Now click on mission information. So this is about total your VM information. Okay, VM name, VM1, VM size, DS1, V2. This is one CPU, 3.5 GB memory. Location, East US. Subscription ID, resource group, and VM ID. This is the VM ID. Version, Microsoft Windows Server 2022. Number of cores, I said one CPU, right? One CPU. Okay, physical memory, 3.5 GB memory. So here you can check. One CPU, 3.5 GB memory. Okay, profile location. It is stored in D page file.cs. Let's go and verify. Copy. Uh, we don't have file. Yeah, you have to open it cloud admin. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, next page profile size and etc. etc. Right now, go to CPU. So no CPU utilization. This is total your file. Okay, next, top CPU consumers. I mean, many applications and processes are running inside of the VM, right? So during that time, okay, was there any top CPU consumptions are there? You can track it. Okay, you know, right? What will happen in real time? This is your virtual machine. One application might be running on top of IaaS or something else. Okay, yeah, maybe sometimes application may have some performance issue. Maybe to landing the page, it may take around 1 minute. So actual estimation is 30 seconds. 30 seconds in the sense, for example, if I access tcs.com, see how much time it has taken to load the page, max 15 to 20 seconds, right? If it is take 1 minute time, obviously that would be performance issue. Okay, so during the time, okay, you can go and verify whether any CPU utilizations from application end or our machine end. If application taking some more CPU utilization, then application team has to verify from application perspective, is there any component taking long time, right? So if our CPU issue from our virtual machine end, then you have to verify why CPU utilization is crossing 90%. Okay, yeah, next, memory, no issues. So here we can see utilization. See, this is service hosted and average working set, average commit. See guys, if there are any issues, one red color it will show you. For example, in between 8 to 9, there is a high CPU utilization. Then it will show you like this. Okay, this is the fresh error, nothing has been installed, so that it is showing everything like average. Okay, yeah, next, storage. See, currently what? This is the drives which we have. Okay, now we can go for disk map. Currently, how many drives are there? At present, we have 2 drives. Am I right? One is, this is OS drive. This is temp drive, 127 GB. Okay, yeah. So out of that, what is the free space and all we can calculate here. Right. Next, now go to volume. See, this is what local disk 120.6. Okay, out of them, what is the free space? 91 GB is free space is there. Okay, this is 8.7. Okay, yeah. So this is about what we can track entire information about your physical disks. Right? Yeah. Next, now storage pool and the storage reliability counter. If there are any issues, it will show you. And the filter drivers. These are the drivers related information. Okay, you people install the database related drivers. Okay, some other third party, if you install that related drivers, will install it, right? Automatically it will get installed. Okay, so it will show you that related to driver information. Okay, yeah. Next, this is the top disk consumer. Okay, this is about what? High resolution disk usage. It will show you disk usage, guys. Okay, disk usage in a sense, this is the one. Our C drive is there, right? This is the disk usage. Okay, IOPS. IOPS in the sense input output operation per second. Okay, so we mentioned IOPS is 500. See, this is the 500 IOPS. Where we can check IOPS, guys? IOPS in the sense, you know, right? Input output operation per second. Clear? Okay. How can I say is go to virtual machine, click on it. Here we have disks. See, OS disk IOPS is 500. input output operation per second. So if we go for here, okay, so this IAPS operations as this is the one. Okay, yeah, for example, what is the exact IAPS is? Okay, read operation, write operation, supply, and the process execution. These are the operations. Per second, it will take max 500 IAPS. So that's what I drag the our capacity IAPS. If you perform more, then your spikes like this it will go. 1 or 2 times it is not a problem. Okay, see, this is our max IAPS. 1 or 2 times and it's not a problem. If you continuously see like this, then you have to go and increase the IAPS. Okay, if you are not increasing the IAPS configuration, it leads to performance issue. Okay, for me, what I did now, we created one users and deploy the performance diagnostics. During the time, one time it is spike. That's it. Only one time it spike. We will not consider these kind of things. It continuously more than half an hour or entire day. If we see these spikes, so then we have to consider and verify utilization of the CPU, and we have to increase the IAPS count. Okay, IAPS count, that is additional cost. Okay, a best example, what you'll do, you are working on it. Okay, your capacity is 9 hours to work per day. Okay, so if you work more than 9 hours in a week, 1 or 2 days, that is fine. If you continuously work for 15 hours, 14 hours, then what will happen? It leads to health issues. Same way, what is the IAPS? That capacity is 500. Okay, if you dump like 1000 work processors, then what will happen? It will go like this continuously. It will hang. Your server may not respond it. Clear? That is what we have to do. Once you reboot the VM, whatever the process are there, it will be killed. Then it will come to normal stage. One process. If keep on going like this beyond IAPS, you should increase the IAPS count. Okay. How to increase? Here we have to. Very simple. Click on it. To increase the IAPS, you have to take the approval from your management. Why? Because it leads cost. Okay. Go to size and performance. Okay. Just highlight. You have to stop the server. Once it is stopped, see, provision IAPS is 7,500. You have to use that one. Clear? This is about what? Performance diagnostics. Right? Yeah. So if there are networking, so yeah, these are the network related info. Clear? Next, TCP IP. What other things are enabled? Okay. Yeah. Next, this is the IP address. TCP naming IP address. Next, network in and out. Okay, what is the network in and out? What is the protocol frequently it is using? That all you can track it. Okay, yeah. Next, this is the Windows. Just it is showing what information. Okay, so if any guidance are required under summary of Intel micro code update, understand speculation, setting fields and all. These are out of thing. You can leave it, no issues. Okay, so see task list. These many tasks are running at present in my VM. Okay, tasks in the sense, go to your VM, right click, task manager, more information. See, these are whatever the things are appearing, right? Processors. that is appearing here. Okay, PID 014. Here also you can see PID 01. Okay, yeah, so this is the performance, how it will be. Okay, users, details. See, this is the PID, guys. Here it is showing for system 12K until kernel / system. Here also same. System task name. Okay, how things are happening, that all you can track what is that performance diagnostics. See, high memory, here it is taken around 85,000, 89,000. This is MSMP engineer. Okay, yeah, here we can check the status of that ID. Okay, just it will show you what is the task name, what is the PID and all. Okay, system events, these are the system event. So these are the logs, I can say. Okay, in the system, since I have created what things are happening, you can track it. Okay, see, it is time to take in memory dump. Okay, crash memory dump. It is trying to take the, what is that, logs, but it is failed. Why? Because we haven't configured. Memory dumps we have to configure. Okay, once it is configured, according to the schedule, it will trigger the backup of memory dumps. Okay, memory dumps means if there are any memory leakages and all, that we can track. So we cannot track that one. Once you raise the Microsoft case, they will ask you memory dumps. You have to share. Okay. See, we rebooted the VM, right? If you observe, see the process system32sv.host. Who is that? This guy initiated the shutdown of the computer VM on behalf of this user. So this is unplanned. It is shutdown happened, okay, by calling clean shutdown by region shutdown stop call. In front of you, I rebooted, right? What time? This is the time. UTC time now. UTC time now means 12 hours 50 minutes. Okay, now go and check UTC time now. 1 hour 20 minutes. Initially, I rebooted the VM. Okay, because of what? Redeployment. That time it is showing. So everything we can track using this, what is that? Performance diagnostics. So what happened? Clearly, we can track it. Okay. Yeah. So this is about what? Total, what is that? VM information. See, practice it. Without VM, there is no project in the world. Whether you go 10 members organization or 5,000 organization or 5 lakhs organization. Okay. So VM activities are mandatory. Okay. So I explained everything about Windows mission. Linux mission I given basics. Okay. So practice each and everything. You may get a lot of questions from VM. I can say VMs are one pillar of Azure cloud computing. Okay, whether you created the VM, it is same. Whether you go for AWS or Azure or Google Cloud, these three, the process of tracking or troubleshooting, it is same. Okay, so that's why Microsoft employees go for Google, Google employees come for Microsoft and all. Why? Because basic funda. Okay, virtual machine troubleshooting are same. Okay, please practice each and every component. It will be really helpful for you. in real time. That's much I trusted these virtual machines. Okay, these all comes under IIC, infrastructure as a service, IaaS, IaaS. Okay, practice it. In next session, I'm going to touch storage. So see, this storage is different. You may have confusion that, okay, even I have the desk, this is also storage. Again, what is the storage? So this storage is different. This is for personal, your application related, your organization related. We can also store our data in storage account. Okay, for example, if people are watching Netflix, Amazon Prime, right? Amazon Prime videos are what? Public. Okay, if you have the subscription, you will be able to watch all the movies. So these movies will occupy like TBs and TBs and TBs of data. So is it sufficient to store in our desk? No. As I said, maximum size of virtual machine desk is what? 32 TB. If we store 1000 videos, what is that? That will be up by total 32 TB. If we have like 10 lakhs videos, like serials, movies, news, articles, web series, okay, entertainment, songs, everything, that storage is not enough, right? Okay, then we can go and use, what is that? Storage account. What is the storage account? That all we'll see in next session. Okay. You know, right? Geo OTT platform. Geo using our Microsoft Azure storage only. Okay. Geo movies, cinema, audio, video, entertainment, English, everything. They are using our Azure data centers itself. Reliance people. Okay. So Amazon people earlier they're using AWS storage. Now slowly they are moving also Azure. There is a deal happened with Netflix. Netflix slowly moving to Azure. Okay. Yeah. So practice it. In next session we'll discuss about what? Storage account. Thank you everyone.
Hi sir.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, go
have
ahead.
one question.
Okay.
I'm creating last day free account,
Okay.
Azure free account, but
Okay.
this morning I am creating subsection and resource group.
Okay.
After subsection will not showing credits notification bar.
Here it is not showing.
Credits notification bar lo.
Yeah. Yeah. No, it's not a problem. You can leave it. Go to your subscription. Go to home. There is a subscription, right? Under navigate option, subscription. Here it will show you. See, currently I have consumed 3,990. Or else click on this subscription. Okay. For you, here it will show you how many free credits are left. By default 14,500. How many are left? You can track it. For me, it is loading current billing cycle and all.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, go and test it out. So don't worry about not reflecting in notification bar. Okay. So every day once or 3 times when you refresh the page and all, it may reflect over here.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I joined a bit late. I think this is my third class. So I don't know if all the name has been added to the Google Classroom or not. I'm not receiving any recordings, or I'm not receiving any kind of acknowledgement from anyone. So I reached out to Norris IT people. They told you can reach out to your batch admin, but I'm not really sure who is batch admin here.
Okay, okay. Batch admin in the sense whoever is taking care about these videos, class videos. Okay, I will inform them today. So what you will do now, you can call them after 10 o'clock. So after this call, I will inform. So you will be getting all these videos, previous recording videos, everything.
Okay, sir. Sorry, here it is saying Norris IT host. That means no one has joined from Norris IT this morning.
Naresh IT. Naresh IT host. Yes, he is the from Naresh host, Naresh Institute.
Okay, don't know. I'm not receiving any acknowledgement from there.
Okay, sure. I will talk to them. Actually, yeah, they might have busy with other sessions and all. So I will talk to them now. They will respond back.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
One more
Yeah.
question,
Sir,
sir.
I need to,
Yeah.
sir, I need to add on this. There are few videos which was not uploaded on that.
Okay.
The Linux basic video that before deploying a VM for Linux.
Okay, I will ask them to upload everything. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. I'm assuming we're going to upload the course content, but we haven't seen it.
Okay. Hello? Yeah. Come again?
Hello? Yeah, you said you were going to upload the course content and other materials on the Google class, but we haven't seen any.
Okay, allow me 2 hours. Okay, everything it will be there in the Google Drive link. I shared the Google Drive link, right, guys?
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in networking, we're connecting to virtual machine. In portals, you have to, is it must for 3389? Is it must for RDP?
RDP, that is must for Windows machine. For Linux machine, 22 is the port number is mandatory. That's what. If you are unable to connect any VM, that is the first troubleshoot point. You have to go and verify whether the port has been enabled or not.
Okay, sir. If 3389 is present, sir, so there are another four, right? Port roles.
Yes, they are inbuilt. You can leave about it. That is Microsoft related ports.
Okay, sir. Yeah. And one more doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Can we delete the number of admins, right? Today morning you have created as admin.
Okay. Yeah, that you can delete. Right click and go and delete it.
If it deleted, the entire data will be deleted, right, sir?
No. Only that user profile will get deleted.
Okay, user profile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So sir, data is not related to personal. Okay. Data is related to organization. Nothing will happen.
Sir, and one more doubt.
Okay.
Sir, will you share once again the commands you said you have shared the commands, run commands? Okay,
run commands, right? Yes, I will list it down. I will update you. Okay, I will share it soon. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. There is one thing you discussed, right? Like only 11 active connections at a time. So, for example, 12th member got connected. So, who taken out automatically?
No, it won't taken out. Actually, see, you are connected. Assume that maximum connection would be 2. You are connecting. I am connecting. Third person C is trying to connect. It will say already number of connections are full. It will he'll be waiting state. So you will get the notification once you upload, your session would be disconnected and that session will get connected. If you are not approving, no, he will be in waiting period.
Okay. And one more thing, it's not a concern, but just asking, like, we are actually covering only 40 to 50 minutes. So do we have any time to increase like 1 hour, 20 minutes or 1 hour?
It will go. Initial sessions, right? If people will get confusion, that's what I am taking 1 hour. It will go beyond that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
And can you share the link for complete course content?
Yeah, sure, Kiran, I will do that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Please share the Linux web server virtual machine.
Okay, sure. Yeah, sure. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a good day.